All right, so we've started our tour, our Holiday Max tour, and we've just gone through security over there, little hut there. We're in the, where are we, Melina? Ho Chi Minh
Square.
Ho Chi Minh Square. I keep forgetting. Yeah, so we've just gone through security and heading down towards the temple, I think that's what it's called. So let's get down there and we'll do a bit of video down there. Okay, as we make our way up to the mausoleum, as you can see just in the background there, we've got some workers over here doing the gardening. Yeah, so this is the Ho Chi Minh temple. Beautiful place, well maintained, of course, naturally. Where's the wife? Oh, she's over there. So apparently Ho Chi Minh is in there. Let's get up and get a closer view. Yeah, the guards around here look absolutely fantastic in their uniform. There's a guy there in the white. I can't zoom in with this Osmo Pocket 3, but gee whiz. The uniforms look absolutely brilliant. Not quite sure what that is over there, but I believe it's the Parliament of Vietnam. I'll have to ask our tour guide Harry. Let's see what it is. All right, let's continue on. Where's the wifey? Where's the wifey? Lost amongst the crowd. All right, so here's the Mausoleum with Ho Chi Minh in. Let's get up there. So today it's closed, so unfortunately we can't go inside and see Mr. Ho Chi Minh. They're closed on a Friday and a Monday, and of course, naturally, it's Friday today.
There are many streets in Hanoi named by French. The French colony gave the name for the street. And in the evening, we will go to the French Quarter. French Quarter. The area. And you know, when the French left Vietnam in 1954, American came here.
Yeah, so I've just been told by the tour guide that that is the Parliament of Vietnam over here. And that little monument you can see in the background there, apparently it's something to do with some war memorial, some little war memorial. But we're off to the Ho Chi Minh Gardens now. There's our tour guide leading us away. Yeah, so there we are. The Mausoleum and the grounds. Onward. Oh, it's a shame we can't video the military parade happening over there with the marching band and that. Oh well, it is what it is. But yeah, we're sort of in the centre of the gardens here. I'm not quite sure where we have to go, but we'll just wait for our tour guide. Where's Harry? Come on, Harry. Where are you? Beautiful place. Absolutely picturesque. The Ho Chi Minh Gardens.
You know, Kim Jong-un and Trump met here. Yes, Obama and yes. A communist, everyone. Now our country, the communist country, communist. So we have a single party in Vietnam, one party, single party. We have an election every 5 years, vote for new president. But we, you know, vote for you know the same party but different people in the same party. 3 insects. That's why only in the bottom you see the mice. Now in this garden, there are 2 different houses in here. There are 2 different houses where Ho Chi Minh lived and worked. The first house he lived and worked from 1954 to 1958. 4 years in the first house. And the first house with only 1 floor, and there are 3 rooms. The first room is the bedroom, second one is the dining room, and the third one is the working room, and toilets and kitchen outside, behind, okay? And the second house, he lived and worked from 1958 until he died. He lived and worked longer on the second house, in the second house. And then the second house with 2 floors, and 300 meters from the first one, okay? The first floor for receiving guests and meeting.
All right, so we've got this little exhibition here. Remember Uncle Hoen's Spring. So we'll just nick in here and see what's inside. Ah, there's Ho Chi Minh. Oh, yeah. Remember in the past. In the background, that band started to play again. It's a shame that we can't go over there and film it. But let's have a look over here. Looks like a couple of cars that maybe Ho Chi Minh owned. So what do we got over here? Nice looking cars. Alright, so that's the grounds of the Ho Chi Minh Memorial. I guess this is where he used to live and that, and work around here. Fascinating, beautiful area. So that's part of the tour. That's the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum that we get to visit on our tour. Alright. So apparently this is where Ho Chi Minh lived.
From 1958
Yeah.
he died.
From 1958 till he died. He used to conduct meetings here. And that, so we're going to go up and have a look at his residence. Right, let's get up the top there, because knowing me, I'll fall up the stairs, not down, up. Alright, let's have a look at these residents. Very modest residence, you know, for a president. But yeah, look at that, how wonderful is that? Beautiful. There's his bedroom. Wow. Amazing, eh?
That's why in our country, many people everywhere you see that's where now the trending gas, but in the
All right, so we've moved on a little bit and we've come to this Buddhist temple, and we'll have a bit of a look inside. All right, let's go in. Hopefully you can video. I should imagine so. Wow. Amazing.
Hồi chi ta biến mặc sự đoàn kỳ si tâm bất tại kính tụng niệm khởi cứ hạng điện thánh nguyện kiều dùng đại đại nhân sự vẫn dân niệm hết hoặc tiệm tụng kính hoàng thành ngữ đồng vạn lớn khẩu vùng dùng chi bất tình nghi quan lễ mạ chi bất cung cung bất như nghi sử phi kỳ điện quyền tứ đủ lạc chỉ lạc mẫu tương lại trí thông sinh trí sinh đồng hư hình ảnh bất tương oai vị lập phương như lai bất niệm chúng sinh như mẫu ước tử nhược tử đạo thể ký ức hà vi như mẫu ước thời mẫu tử lịch sinh bất tương vi viễn nhược chúng sinh tâm ước quạt điện luật điện điện tương lai đất.
So this is the grounds of the Buddhist temple. Absolutely amazing. And here are the laws. Okay, so the next stop on the tour, which is a bit of a bonus, we're back at the train street. This wasn't on the tour schedule, which is exciting.
Very nice.
Yes, so we've got about 40 minutes before the train arrives, and we're just going to sit down for a complimentary coffee, and I've ordered a coconut coffee, so we'll see what that's like. In the meantime, yes, just enjoy the atmosphere. Beautiful spot, look at that. Yes. Everyone's all set up. In about 40 minutes the train will come. Yeah.
15,500 dong, $1 US. $1 Australian. So if you have 100 Australian dollar, you will have a 1,550,000. You want 20, 10? You want to change?
Here we go, peoples. Can't be too far away. Here we go, peoples. Whoa, Jesus Christ. Holy moly. Jesus. You have got to be kidding me. Whoa, oh my God. All right, peoples, we are back into it. I had a bit of an hour's break at the hotel. We're going to be picked up shortly and we're going to go for a rickshaw ride. Gee whiz, it's looking a bit windy out there. Wow. Hope everything's going to be fine. But here's the hotel lobby. Nice, beautiful lobby of the hotel, the Fortuna Hotel. Magnificent. Crystalia up there. And that, all right, I'll pick it up when we get to the rickshaw and see how that turns out. All right, we've reached the rickshaw area. Hello, hello, we've got an argument happening with the bus driver. Don't park here, don't park here. Don't park here. All right. Let me get on one. All right, we're on. We're all ready to go. Look at it. Bang! We've already had an accident. Bang.
Thuận ơi. Đi để cho Hùng dẫn đầu luôn, Sơn dẫn đầu. Để Hùng đi dẫn đầu.
Okay, we're off. God help us. Around we go, the streets of Vietnam.
Rất phải đi.
Oh lordy. Oh lordy, look at the traffic. Oh, we're going around the corner. Let me get some shots. There we are. All of us get. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at the traffic. Gee whiz. How you doing? Alright, so this is where our journey comes to a head. Harry, how you going?
Welcome back, welcome back.
Welcome back. Alright, that is it. Oh, bloody hell, my bum. That is it. How'd you go? That is it. That was it. That was a lovely ride, about a 40-minute ride. Okay, we'll pick it up in another place shortly. Okay, we've come off our rickshaws and the tour guide has taken to this rice roll place. So we're all seated in there and we're going to try some rice rolls. Let's see how they're made. So this is your traditional street food. Oh, this looks exciting. There's everyone in there waiting for the yum yum. Wow, it looks nice.
Đầy đủ đúng không ạ?
Cho đi hành khô rồi.
Ôm gì ạ? Gì ạ?
Got a lot of hungry mouths to feed here.
A chopstick, everyone how to use the chopstick.
Alright, so this is what they've given us.
Otherwise, you can use the
Are we trying it?
Raw rice pancake
With an egg.
with an egg.
With an egg. And what's the, is that meat on
I
top?
think the pancake is under. And
Okay. I'll give it a go. Okay, so it's time to try this thing. I don't even know what it is. Alright, let's have a go. Alright, so apparently I've got a bit of egg and a bit of sauce. It's not bad actually. It's got a unique taste to it, but it's not bad. Okay, there we go.
Here, look, here's the pancake.
Okay, let's see how you
So you put this in here.
Not bad. Okay, so we're been given something additional. Apparently there's some sort of pancake. So I'll grab that. Try and grab that. And we'll swing around. Okay, let's have a look. Alright, let's go. We'll give that a bit of a dip. Yeah, not bad actually. It's really nice. Yeah. Got some more of this pancake. Well, that's what they call it. It's their version of a pancake. Okay. Give it a dip apparently. We'll try and get a bit of egg. It's quite nice actually. Very nice. What do you think? Get a bit more?
Very nice.
It's very nice. Yeah, that was absolutely lovely, that broth with the egg and or what they call a Vietnamese pancake. So at the end of the day, when the dishes have to be done, you just do them out on the street. Oh lordy. Oh well, that's Vietnam for you. I'm not sure where we're off to now, but night has set in finally. Oh, there we go. We're on our tour. Let's go. Onward. Very nice. Okay, so we're at the next spot now, and we've been given a half a roll. Half a roll. Yeah. Oh, we'll give it a try and see what it's like. All right, let's give it a go. Very nice. Feels like an upmarket Subway sandwich. Very nice.
And if you make it at home, it's even better. You can put more stuff in it. These are only, this is basic. I mean, you make people carrots and...
Very nice. All right, we just had a lovely little roll there, half a roll and a nice can of drink. There's Melina over there. Everyone just finishing up. To me, it's like just a different version of Subway. That's what it's like. A Vietnamese version of Subway. Yeah, so we've just left that, what I call the Subway thing, and we just come across this garbage truck playing at some music. To me, they are the happiest garbos you'd ever seen. Hear the music? Amazing. The happiest garbos you've ever come across. Alrighty-o, we are done for the day. We just got back to our hotel and we're going to call it a night. Yep. Oh, dear. Thank you. Okay, we are back. Thank goodness for that. Alright, well, let's see what happens tomorrow. Although we're checking out the hotel in the morning and then we're going to head off to the bay and we're going to spend a night on a ship. Some ship, whatever it is. Anyway, catch you in the morning for day 2. Ciao, ciao.